guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? So check this out. Behind me is a gorgeous, unique car. Awesome, awesome, awesome car. All the looks, all the power, every attribute that you could factor into a four-door sedan is in one package. And obviously it's Mercedes that brings it to you. Best of the best. Whatever this has, you've probably already tried to see, oh, does it have this? And yes, it does. Guys, this is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz S550 4Matic. It's a 5.5 liter, 382 horsepower, all-wheel drive beast. Super nice car. I'm gonna get into it real quick so I can cut the video short. And you can see, as the beginning of the video, it's super, super nice. And I have some other features too. The mirrors fold in. When you do that right there, you unlock it. Here's the key fob. Oh, come on. You unlock it and the mirrors can fold out. The interior is absolutely impeccable. You got WeatherTech floor mats and plastic beneath of this. Previous owners took super good care of it. Tan leather seats. Every option, it's like a fighter jet cockpit right here. You get every single option, including the headrest that you can move up and down to adjust your height. Memory seats, lumbar part right there, you can adjust individually separate from the bottom right there that moves the base of it out. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. Harman Kardon sound system, folding telescopic mirrors, gadgets and cubby holes in every single nook and cranny, electric parking brake, push button start, and it sounds like a beast. Absolutely sounds like a beast. Tells you not to command when you're driving. Don't forget your key. 54,441 maintained miles. Sunroof, panoramic roof in the rear. You got the best part about this. Look at the rear. So your passengers, oh, I want to look in the mirror before we go to our dinner date. Push this right here. Mirror folds down. They're getting ready, putting on their makeup. You got your hors d'oeuvres right inside that cubby hole. Push your thing open right here. You got your spot for your wine glasses, and everything's going on at one time, and you guys are just living the life. You get your 6-disc CD changer right there from 1920. Just kidding. It's all good. You got every single thing in here that can accommodate luxury, and it spells it right there. Mercedes. Center console with the USBs. You got your telephone thing right here from back in the day. And yeah, she's absolutely a beast. So there's the VIN number right there and all your certificates. So yeah, if you have any questions about this car, you can visit the website, superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. You can call direct 540-898-3025. That's 540-898-3025. We get the pricing on the website, superiorwholesale.org. All the details, pictures, including this video right here. So stay tuned. Hope you guys like the car. She's a beast. Tires are in good shape too. Tires are probably like about, let me show you, in all four corners. Oh yeah, cross-drilled brakes and rotors. Tires, I'd say about 55% on front to rear. Here's the underside right there. Underside's in great shape. Here's the back end, and yeah, that's it. This, if you guys didn't know it, there's a button that retracts this like sunshade too. Super, super stellar. Awesome. So hit me up. Take care, guys. See you later.